Hello loves, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make your own candles or your own designer candles. This is a DIY that anyone could do. So we're just going to jump right in. Now as you can see here, I made a run to Dollar Tree and picked up some candles. I have a skewer. I ordered some wicks from Amazon. I picked up this beauty here from Ross. Ross always have some beautiful containers, and this reminds me of the Thomas Ferrier, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'll have it listed below. Candles, the base of it, and those candles are worth $100 or more. All right, but I picked this one up on clearance for $3.49. Regular price $5.99 or $6.99, so that's not bad. And then I went to a thrift store and picked up an old pot because I did not want to use a bowl, a glass bowl, or a good pot or a good bowl to melt the candles down. So I spent only $1 for that pot. Now to the left of me, I have one of my pots filled with water. I'm trying to get it to a simmer, and once we do that, we'll get started. So while I'm waiting for that pot to simmer or get to a boil, let's do our prep work. I'm going to take these wicks. I'm probably going to do 3 of these. And place them in the jar. All right. Now as you can see, I have placed my candles in here. It's the little prep work. And I am placing my wicks in the candle. Now I did not order these long enough. All right. And I'm also, to stabilize it better, I'm using a dot of hot glue. Just a small dot to stabilize it in my candle base. Just like so. Those are the 3 wicks. 1, 2, 3. And I have them stabilized in there with the hot glue. Now if this was longer, I would tie these wicks, and I probably still can do it a little bit. Just gonna hook them around the stick here. They do twist around it. So I've hooked the wicks around the skewer. I underestimated how tall this base is. So now that my pan is ready, I'm going to insert this pan in here and begin the melting process. of the candles. Now, a side note is that these candles have a vanilla scent to them. As they are melting down, they smell oh so good. Now, the melting process, it takes some time. Like I said, I'm doing it at a slow pace, but the enjoyment of it, it is smelling up my home. All right. If you went with unscented candles, you can use some essential oils to your liking. So I started off with 4 candles in this pot, and I'm placing the other 2 because, like I said, that vessel that I purchased, it's rather tall, so I want to make sure I have enough wax to put in there. But again, I am enjoying the smell. It smells so good. It smells like vanilla. So as you can see, the candles are all melted. So right now we're going to pour the wax, the hot wax, carefully into the base. Now I have placed some wax paper just in case I drip a little bit to protect my countertops. So here's the candle, guys, but let me tell you, I did a little goof, not being patient or trying to straighten up something. See what happened there? I shifted the wick a little bit before the wax dried, and it cracked it a little bit. But I'm hoping it straightens up when I light it, because I am going to light this candle. This DIY is so easy that when I have pretty bases like this, I'm gonna make more. I'm not gonna throw the pretty bases away. I can just put more wax in it. So I'm gonna cut the wicks down, put the candle in place, light it, and let you see how it looks. Stay tuned. Now, how gorgeous is that? Very pretty. Again, the base was $3.49 clearance. And the candles were $1 each, and I used 6. So about $10 to make that candle. And I'm gonna do it again. Do you think you'll be doing a DIY like this? Let me know in the comments section below. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for some beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys. I love you guys so much, and I am so blessed that you are part of the blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon.